Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Maj, and for today's video, I'm going to teach you step by step on how you earn in contracted AI and how you withdraw your earnings in contracted AI. So before we jump into it, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and ring that notification bell so you'll always be updated to my upcoming videos and off the clock episodes. So here is very easy, guys. So after you click the link, so mapupunta kayo dyan. Actually, kaka-open lang nila ulit ng application. So all you need to do is click start application, and then may mga questions lang si contracted AI, and then sagutin nyo lang siya. So for example, this one, so tell me about your average day. So it's very easy to earn here, guys, kasi all you need to do is to take a video of your chores. So, housekeeping, laundry, so something like that. So, after nyo masagutan yon, kapag naka-receive kayo ng your nabigay nyo na yung email nyo, nakatanggap na kayo ng email, so, pwede na kayo, guys. And then, of course, magkakaroon kayo ng mandatory training. So, ano naman, mag-watch lang kayo ng 14-minute video, and hindi ko na siya nakuha na ng video, guys, kasi I don't know, hindi siya na-save. Anyway, after that, makaka-receive kayo ng $1. Actually, yung payment method dito is PayPal, through PayPal only. So, ito, instant naman yun. So, later, papakita ko sa inyo, guys. So, after that, kasi, kailangan natin mag-request ng head mount. So, kailangan nyo kasi ng head mount, guys. So, malalaman nyo yan sa mandatory training. Is 14-minute video. Panoorin nyo siya, guys. Very easy lang siya. And then, after that, kapag nakapag-request na kayo, it's free lang yung head mount, so wala kayong babayaran. So, pero kung meron na kayo, just click na meron na kayo. Pero kung wala pa, just request head mount, guys. So, papadilahan kayo ng contracted AI. So, it takes 2 to 3 days bago dumating. So, ayan na contracted AI. So, it's free. Wala kayong babayaran any amount, guys. So, free lang siya. Ayan, buksan natin. So, here, ito kasi kailangan magamit nyo siya, guys. So, nakalagay rin naman din sa tutorial video na kasi nga kailangan visible your two hands, and then, of course, your lower body, and then pag iPhone ang gamit nyo, 0.5 yung widescreen setup nyo, and then 0.6 naman kapag Android. So now, tayo ay magwi-withdraw, guys. I-withdraw natin yung nakuha natin na $1. So, click nyo na yung cash out. Kapag na-set nyo na yung settings nyo for payment method, PayPal lang naman siya. So, ganyan lang siya kadali. So, instant naman siya, guys. So, and then, once na-receive nyo na yung inyong head mount, just click you receive, and pwede na kayo mag-start mag-upload. So, andito yung mga tires. So, once na active kayo, so, starter is $2 per hour, guys. So, pataas ng pataas naman yan. Kapag pataas ng pataas, your tire, the higher tire, the higher payment, guys. Okay? So, later, papakita ko rin sa inyo kung paano mag-upload here. So, hintayin natin. Instant lang naman. Saglit lang naman din yung $1. Then after that, the minimum withdrawal will be $5. So it's very easy. Just take a video of your chores, just washing dishes. No need naman may makitang tao, guys. So you will know that after you watch the mandatory training video, guys. It's very, very easy, guys. So, ayan. Ayan, we already received the $1, guys, sa ating PayPal account. So, it is legit, guys. So, I don't know until when the application. So, once you see this video, make it sure na if you're interested, just click all the way and try to do this, guys. It's very easy. Just record your choice, guys. Okay, so now, mag-record tayo. I'm using iPhone, guys. So, it will take time habang nag-upload guys. So, after that, or pwede nyo naman din na gawin mo muna yung mga chores nyo guys. So, ako ginagawa ko is one at a time. Kumbaga, after ng cooking, just stop and then go to the next chores guys. Like, mopping the floor or wiping the tables, something like that. So, it's up to you guys. So, marami na kayong pwedeng magawa sa andun na may mga categories, guys. Like, pwede kayong mag-gardening, guys, or maintenance, like repairing, kung meron kayong i-assemble or ayusin, guys. So, pwede siya. Okay. So, i-upload nyo lang siya kung saang category. And then, wait kayo ng approval. So, once approve yan, nasunod nyo lahat ng mga instructions sa mandatory video, i-approve nila and you will earn that. So, it's very easy. So, until next time, goodbye!